It's really coming down on our roof right now. Yeah, pounding right now. We're not only keeping an eye on the rain around the county and on our roof, but we are also watching for snow in our local mountains. It looks like some flurries are falling right now.
And it's low snow because this is Main Street in Julian, coated in that nice layer of this fresh stuff. And you see it kind of flying around on your screen right there. So this is a live look for you. We're actually going to have a reporter. Our crew is on the way up there right now. So that's coming up in our 5 o'clock hour. Allison will be playing in the snow a little bit for us today. And now's the chance to get there because obviously it won't get too busy yet, but after this storm system goes through.
Sometimes it feels so loud coming down on us here that I'm like, are they going to pick it up on our microphones? Like, can you hear it? Like, and it's those quick bursts.
Yeah, it sounds like a stampede going by.
Exactly. Netta, you tweeted yesterday, a beautiful video of just the beautiful beach setting, and you were saying that that was right after a quick wave came through, right?
It was super quick. One quick spell, like a minute long, and then I didn't even bring the baby into the car. I was like, we're fine, this is fun. Teach her about rain.
You're going to love this.
Look, water falls from the sky sometimes.
Exactly. And hey, the snow level that we have out toward Julian dropped down now to 2,500 feet. So yesterday we were talking about as low as 3,500, maybe even down to 3,000 feet. Now we're down to 2,500. That's how cold it's getting out there. Like I mentioned, today has a good chance of being the coldest day of the month. It will be the coldest day of the month so far, but we're only seeing an upward trend from here, which means that for the month of March, today might be the day to keep an eye on, and definitely keep the jacket on hand, not only because of the rain, but because of how cold it is. Let's take a look at your Wednesday rain totals. This is what we saw all in all throughout the day, ending at about midnight. Oceanside was one of the heavier spots with 81/100ths, so just over 0.8 of an inch. Looks like downtown San Diego only picked up on nearly 0.2 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch in Point Loma, 0.8 of an inch in Alpine, and 0.4 in Ramona. So going through the next several hours, we continue with our winter storm warning. That's the pink on your screen here, but I give you this much wider view of Southern California because we've been talking about those burn scars up to the north of us in Orange County. So that flash flood watch is where we see those burn scars. That's where we see a lot of trouble around Irvine, San Clemente. And then as you move farther inland, we see this winter weather advisory. That one also expires at 10 a.m. today. So we've got different expiration dates on most of these, but you can see how we're kind of just lit up across Southern California. Radar imagery right now is showing how rain is coming through mainly through the southern portion of the county. There are still some storms that are building just right off the coast that are slowly starting to push inland toward areas like Oceanside and Carlsbad. Looks like our very own Chris Grow could see some of those showers pop up very soon. And then looking at your main headlines, we've got rain and mountain snow continuing today. We can't rule out thunderstorms with lightning and small hail as we saw yesterday. This is going to be a continuation of what we saw yesterday, which was at times allowing for plenty of sun to shine through and appearing as if things were calm and dry, and then one of those quick downpours comes for, like Netta said, a minute, maybe 2 minutes, and then clears out pretty quickly. This is just going to be a repeated fashion all the way through the day today, through the day tomorrow, and then even into the beginning of your Saturday now is what it seems like. Mountain travel impacts are still expected. So here's future models. We see that all the way through 9:30 a.m., that next cell with pretty decent precipitation just south of Escondido moving toward Ramona. And then going into your afternoon hours, it looks like we'll dry up just a little bit briefly with mainly rain and snow over the mountaintops, and then that next wave develops by late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Eric?